Alright, 2005 Chevy Silverado, two-wheel drive, 1500. Had a rear main seal leak and knock sensors, had the intake off, transmission off. Got everything back together and it would not start. No spark, no injector pulse. Come to find out, CMP sensor. Let's see if I can get a better. Those wires are bare and they were touching. Wiggle the wires, start it up. So yeah, you have no injector pulse. I was chasing crankshaft position sensor, taking off the starter, and the battery was going dead. Ignition switch. I knew it was probably something that I did, but I didn't have to touch that wire or disconnect it. But apparently I bumped it and made those wires that were already insulation falling off, made those touch, and that affected the computer not seeing camshaft, crankshaft, pulse. So yeah, finally found that after multiple hours of troubleshooting. Now it runs good. Hope this helps.